Hello guys, welcome back to Game Development Tutorials. Today we are continuing the fighter game on Scratch. We are continuing the costume thing. I don't know really what to call it. So we just want to make a new sprite. Let's just call it skins, because these are the actual skins. And then we each want to go to the player sprite, highlight the whole thing, Control C, and then go back to the skins and do a Control V. So we have this. Let's just center this boy, 0, 0, and then we're just gonna make a lot of costumes. So this skin will just be red skin. This skin will be the orange skin. I'm just gonna make this orange, and then a darker shade of orange, and then yellow. What? Not yellow. Okay. That's good. Do that. And then I'm gonna do green. Okay, the skins will be absolutely beautiful. Personally, green is my favorite. What? Shines. Flames. Okay, green, purple. Looks like I forgot blue. Okay, so I'm just gonna do. No, I did not forget blue. The enemy is blue, and that would just get very confusing. So the downside of this skin selection is that only player 1 can select the skin. I can't really find a good way of doing player 2 skin, because I haven't selected a game mode, and that would just really get confusing if they just did the same color. And the last skin I'll have is pink. Okay, beautiful. Shoot, I forgot to name it. Pink. Okay, we have our skin colors. Okay. When clicked, it will go to 0, 0. It will switch costume to red, because that will be the default costume. It will go to front layer, and it will hide, because we still have to press the back button in order for it, the skins button for it to actually show. Then, here we go. When I receive skin select, it will show, and then when the sprite is clicked, it will just do the next costume, so it will keep cycling through each costume. Then back right now is not workable. We're gonna make that work in a second. Whoop. When I receive back, it will hide. Okay, now that works, let's do green, and when I come back, it's still green. Okay, good. Okay, so that was not Scratch's problem. That's actually acted. Still drag it when you're inside here, but you cannot drag it when you can see. Okay. Oh, beautiful. Okay, now we actually have to apply the changes to the actual player. So now, get skin. As you can probably tell, yeah, there's no fun. That sounds noise. Okay. So, what we need to do, we have to make a new variable in the player1, called costume hashtag, short for costume number, and we have to make it for this sprite only. Sorry for that. Okay, then we need to grab a when clicked forever. Okay, now here is where it gets a bit long. We just want to say if costume hashtag, let's see if I can find that. What we need. Here we go. Sorry about that. Costume. Hello? Or do you just need to do this? I think yeah. If costume hashtag of skins, there it is equal to 1, so if it's the first costume, it will set the costume hashtag to red. And we also have to make one more variable called jetpack costume hashtag. Okay, right now it's being unresponsive. Well, it's still here, so we just want to set that to jetpack red. Before we go on any further, let us actually make the other costumes. So first, red. We have to call this red. You have to call the costume exactly what you have here, okay? So red, and then we want to call this one jetpack red. Yep. Okay. Now we can just keep duplicating these costumes until we have all the colors. So I believe I had orange. Okay. Do that. Do that. Okay. Orange. Now. Now we want to duplicate this and make this orange. This one called jetpack orange. So this I've tried many other ways, and this is actually the fastest way, because the other way is setting the color effect, and that way is actually extremely slow. Because I've tried it for my other versions, and it really slows down the game. So yeah. Okay, next costume is yellow. Okay, do that. This will be like gold. Then duplicate this one. This one will be yellow. Oh, still selected. Color. So that. Okay, next costume will be green. I forgot to name this one. Jetpack. Yellow. Okay, green. Yep. Do that. Do that. Do that. Do that. Do that. I keep forgetting to select it. Okay. Duplicate this. Jetpack. Green. Do that. Do that. Squat, pop, flop, flop, squat, pop, flop. Okay, now we need purple and pink, and that is it. Purple. Okay. And then jetpack purple. Okay. A bit more purple, just that. Okay, do that, squat, hop, wop. Okay, and then the last one, pink. And yes, I know this is a lot of costumes, but believe me, it's worth it. The effect is pretty cool. Okay, then, last one, jetpack, pink, that's, and this is hot pink, it's not really pink. Okay, those are all of the costumes. I'll just leave this up for a second. Ooh, scrolling past it so you can pause the video. Ooh. Don't say that I'm going too fast when you can realistically just pause the video at any moment. Ooh. Okay. Beautiful. Now, we can just duplicate this. Costume number is equal to 2. Switch costume to orange. Jetpack, orange. And then we just keep doing that until we have all of the colors filled. Okay, there's gonna be a moment of silence. That's just me, trying to concentrate. And hello to any kids out there who are starting school next week. Yay. Okay, this is the last duplication that we need. 5, 6, I think we have 6 colors. Okay, we need to change this to purple, I think. And then pink, and then jetpack pink. Okay, that was actually pretty quick. That was quicker than I thought. And we still have a lot of time. Oh my gosh. Okay. So now what we can do with our custom blocks. Let's see. So with our custom blocks, at the bottom of them, how it says switch costume to this. Now we can say switch costume to jetpack costume and switch costume to costume. Whoop. Okay, let's just do the same thing with the other one, if I can actually find it. Wait, what? Oh, right. I only have one script for this player. I forgot. Okay. Citizens. Red. Green stuff like that. And he's green. I mean, we still have to change his bullets, but hey. I mean, that's pretty nice. Then pink. Yeah, see, it works. It works pretty well, and there's no lag. So yeah. So now let's change the color of the weapon. I think we have time to do that. I think we are gonna have to use the color effect for this one. I kind of don't want to change the color of the weapon, so it'd be a little more work than necessary, because we already know who's shooting because we're the ones who's shooting. So yeah, that might be a little extra work. Let me see if I did it in the other game. Huh, I did. Let's see how we could do this. I know we can change the color effect, but that's gonna cost a lot of processing power. Like, it's trying to figure out what color to do it. I might have some code in that for this. You can do that on your own time, but I'm not gonna do it for this series because it's a bit too much work. That's personally my opinion. Because it's not really that necessary. Okay, well, I'm not gonna change. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the skins. All I want to do now is do like a little thing that says like player 1 kills, player 2 kills, and stuff like that. Okay, so now what we want to do, we just want to go to backdrops, and backdrop costumes, and it'll be normal game. So yep. So then we just want to write player one. Player one kills, just like that. And then in blue, player two kills. Okay, beautiful. We are also going to make another one for the AI. So yeah, it will say player one kills and AI kills, just like to fit the theme. AI kills, and we're also gonna put yeah, let's just put that like around the same area. Okay, now we just want to say when I receive start match. Let's see, where is that? I think I did play match. Yep, I did. It will just do if single slash free if single slash free play slash versus is equal to versus, it will switch background to normal game. Then if it's equal to single, then it will switch it to normal game 2. So now, oh, we also need a blank background. So I'm just going to duplicate this, delete these, and just call it blank. So when clicked, it'll switch costume, switch background to blank. Okay, so there we go. Okay, so versus, and it'll have 2 kills. I'm going to move this to the side. Single, it'll say player kills. Okay, beautiful. So now all we have to do is make text to actually represent the kills. So I believe we already have a variable saying the amount of kills. We just need to do, we just need to do a conversion or whatever. So yeah, that should be pretty fast. Depending on how much time. Yeah, okay. Wow, we have a lot of time, my gosh. Okay, I just want to make a sprite called player one kills. The code that I'm going to use for this is provided by Professor Blue, aka FunNut. He's really cool and good at coding. So yeah. So first, we have to make costumes of the actual numbers. So, 1, yeah, let me just center that. Okay, beautiful, let me set this. I really do not like how the default for sprite positioning is 360-28. It has annoyed me forever. Okay, so we just want to make all of the numbers. Gotta sneeze, hold on. Okay, never mind. The sneeze is a traitor. When he says he's coming up, he never comes up. Okay, so when we get to 9, we just want to make one more costume. This one will be 0. Okay, just like that. Okay, so we just want to make a private variable, call it digits. We want to make it for this sprite only. Wow, we have a lot of variables. Oh, not that much, but whatever. We just want to say, when clicked, this will hide. When I receive play match, it will still hide because it will be creating clones of itself. Set digits to 0, and then this will repeat 5 times. So this will be like the numbers going, so 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. That's what the 5 is for. It will change digits by 1, and it will create clone of myself. And now, here's where it actually comes into action like the actual counting. When clicked, it will show, and positioning this it's a bit weird positioning this. You will see why in a few seconds when I can actually drag this. Okay, when clicked, it will go to X. The Y can stay the same, it's just the X is a bit weird, so you have to like test, change values, test, change values. Okay, just like that. And I don't think you can change it in game, but we're just gonna have to test that. Okay, now we just want to say if else, if the length of player 1 kills is less than the digits, then it will hide, else it will show, and it will switch costume to join. Actually, it will do letter, not join, sorry about that. It will do letter, digits of player 1 kill. Okay, that is it. Now let's just get this. That's not right. Okay, so yeah, let me see if I can change this. Oh, you can. Gosh. That is not right. I will take a look at that. 80, 90, 95, 97. Okay, there we go. 97. Now let's see what is going on with this. Or if player kill is actually 10. It is 10. Okay, so that was right. So in the beginning, we just want to set, just for efficiency, player 1 kills to 0 and player 2 kills to 0. Now we'll read this correctly. 0. Okay. 93. Nope. 93. Okay, now, since we made other digits a private variable, we can duplicate this. Call it player 2 kills. Change all of these to blue. So we can just use the fill tool and change all of these big boys to blue. Okay, just like that. Then we can just say, instead of player 1 kills, it will say player 2 kills, player 2 kills, and now we can just position it. Okay, so we have to increase it 300. Decrease it. Negative. Yes, and negatives do work for this. And if you are noticing the color difference, we will change that. Okay. Now we hit. Let's say 1, 3, 6, 7, 50. Okay, beautiful. Now what we can do is go to the backdrop, do that. All we have to do is just select that. Then we just do fill, and it will do the right color. I think you can see this, but there's like a slight color change when I click. or hover over it. There we go. Yay! And it works. Okay, so that is it for this video. We've done quite a bit, and I had a fun time, and I hope you did too. And remember, if you like this video, make sure to, like the video. And if you really liked it, make sure to subscribe and ring the notification bell so you can stay notified to whenever I post videos, so the chances that you'll probably like it. Okay, bye guys. See you in the next video. Bye.